Hey guys, I just got this in and I just wanted to do a quick update before I open it and start using it. This is a Monami pen. This is a Korean pen. Now, story behind this is that this pen, it means a little bit something to me. My dad was like friends with one of the executives, I'm not sure, of Monami back in the days when I was a child, and we used to get boxes and boxes of these pens. And these pens, they still sell it, you guys. I just found it on Amazon and like some other shops, but like this is the type of pen that was like if you went to a corporate building in Korea during that time, I don't know now, everyone and their mamas had this pen. And it looks exactly identical to the pen that I remember as a child. And I remember just being so tired of seeing these pens and these felt marker pens that they also sell, they're known for, that all Koreans use. I'm not sure about it today in 2024, if they're still using these. I'm sure there's so many other pens in the air, but I found this, just stumbled across it on a YouTube channel from this one pen guy that I follow. And he was talking about this pen that he got in one of the shops in New York City. And I looked it up and it's here. So what it is this is a pen, identical design, except they're using different materials to make the pen heavier. And it's not like the cheap plastic material that I'm used to seeing when I was a child, but they're using like some heavy duty material. So it's supposed to be heavy duty. It's supposed to be like, you could get 12 or 17 of these. Like, I think I saw on Amazon like a box of these pens, the plastic ones, the cheap ones, for like under $5. And so I got it and here it is. So here's the unboxing of it. It's a beautiful presentation, by the way. It says 153 black, and it really is a true like memory type of pen for me. And so what it looks like in reality is it's white with like black here and here. This one is all black, and there's another one that's all white. And it's like a little heavy duty. It's not like the plasticky, feel at all. It feels pretty bougie in the hand. You just click it like this. And then to unclick it, you press on that little dot. It's the cutest little thing. And it just says Monami 153 on it. Super cute, super tiny pen. Comparatively speaking, you guys know I use this Uni Jetstream, the Prime, in the tricolors, and most of my planners. Like I have another one here that is all black, matte black, and then I have one that is like beige color. And so here's that compare to the size. Yeah, it just says Monami 153 on it, and it's just a matte black. And I thought it was really cute to then carry it in here in this pocket planner that I have been loving. So I have my Uni here. I can use this on another planner, and then this one can just go simply in here and it'll just slide in. I don't have to fight it. This one I sort of a little bit have to fight it. So if I put it in, it's like a little hard squeeze, and then I have to put it up so that this doesn't like bend weird. But this one, it just goes shook, like slides in. So how cute is that? Another quick update that I wanted to show you was a new change in my pocket. So because you guys saw the flip here, I'm using the personal rings this week, and I think going forward, I made a decision. This is gonna stay home. I do have that cash in here and so on and so forth. But what is going to happen is when this travels with me everywhere I go, like when I am dropping off my kids, picking up my kids, or going on trips and whatever, everything is in here, and I just don't need the dailies. I just need the weeklies. So I just have a new design that just has all the schedules on the top, which is what I need when I'm on the go. And then I have, when I'm out, I can just jot down things. I have sticky notes for like errands, like grocery haul that I need to go pick up some grocery later on. And yeah, and so I just have things that I could jot down. I have a space for that, and it just goes on every single week like that. So I designed it for the rest of the month to see, and even parts of January. So I just am testing it right now. So once I do open up my shop, I will have these available in there. And I think for those of you guys who are kind of in between, like, oh, I love my personal size, but then I also want a pocket because it's so durable. It's just so portable to take on the go, and you just want to use it as a wallet like I am right now. It is, I think, a new solution, another solution to this. And all I need are my calendars. Like when I'm at a place making, booking appointments and things, I have all my things here, my due dates for big projects. I don't want to be around, making appointments too. And then I have this. So this is honestly all I need are my schedule for the week, and then the things that I need to take care of while I'm outside. Because what I did realize was, like, last month in November, I was really heavily working on this, and I was only exclusively in certain weeks of November, I was only working in this planner, and I realized that I wasn't using the dailies. I wasn't really, like, I felt good having them because it was ready to go. But like, what am I going to do in the car? Like work? So, but things like simple things that I can do, like calling my mom or calling a utility company because of something, or, things like that I could do while I'm out, and I could just jot it down here. And that's essentially what I need when I'm out. So that's what I have here. I do have some budgeting sheets back here because I want to still know when I'm out, like, this is all my subscription stuff that is between a need and a want. And sometimes I could sit in the car and look at the wants. It's like more luxury, right? It's not like a need. And I could be like, okay, what can I cut down? Okay, maybe I could cut down Peacock because no one's really watching Peacock unless it's like Premier Soccer season, for example, and cancel it. Have my cleaning people, like sometimes I'm in the car and I just want to think like, okay, like, did so-and-so come? Did I pay them? That's essentially what I need. And I just wanted to get that off my chest. Nothing else is really necessary. And then I have my weekly spending tracker here. I have cash for spending while I'm out. I have grocery, and I have the cash in stickies that I could update my budget. And that's pretty much what I have. So yeah. That's what I wanted to update you guys on this video. Bye.